Hey everyone, this is Ralu Petra, the creator of the Outline Planner. I want to share a tip for the Noteshelf app users, and this is regarding adding the covers to their notebooks. So here's the case. I have recently brought all my piano sheets on my iPad, and I've noticed that having a piano sheet as a thumbnail, it's not so appealing. So I decided to change all the thumbnails to have pictures instead. But that would mean that every time I add a template inside, it will be saved inside my templates library, and that will create a lot of clutter. So if I have the custom area here, and bring an image for every single song I have, it will create a lot of clutter. But did you know that in Noteshelf you can add a cover to your notebook without actually saving it in the templates library? So this is exactly what I want to share with you today, and I'm going to show you the steps. So for example, I have this song here and I want to change the cover to something else. I'm going to go custom and add a cover. I have already saved the image in my photos, so I'm going to pick this one, and the title will be displayed like this. And right here where it says create custom cover, there is a check thingy, save for future use. So this is the one-time use of the cover. I'm not going to add this to the library, so I'm going to uncheck it, and then I'm going to create custom cover. And the new song is here, and it has the new cover applied, and that cover is not saved in the templates library. I hope this helps and will prevent clutter in your templates library and in the Noteshelf app, and enjoy adding custom templates, custom covers to your notebook.